Hello again, welcome back to Learning with Python. And today we would be learning about something very important for the Python ABCs. We are talking about variables. Variables are very important in Python and programming in general. Half of the internet and half of the things you use are made with variables. And variables are very important for coding and the programming test we're going to use. So, what are variables? Variables are a container of a value. So, a lamer example is variables is like a box, but you can only fit one thing inside, and that one thing is something that could fit in the box. It can be a number, a letter, or two words. There's four types of variables, and they are mostly known as data types. Data types are the names of the variables and what they do. Right now we are getting over with strings. Strings are only a variable for words. So it's like the print function, but only as a variable. So for example, you can write your name on the data type of string, or you could write someone number in the data type of string. So we'll be getting over with strings and how to use them, and something very special. Alright, we're here in our new Python file, and today we're gonna write out a string. First, write out name, or anything you want to write. You can write what, gibberish, but you can write out anything you want to write, anything. So we would use the assignment operator. Yeah, so this is not equals. We're using the assignment operator because the assignment operator is represented with the equal symbol. Alright, that's enough yapping about the assignment operator. So what I said before about strings is that they're just like the print command. So you can use double quotes or singular quotes, but I prefer using singular quotes. Let's write the name, Joe. Alright, let's run it into term. Wow, nothing happens. And I know you're wondering, wait, but you said it's just like the print command. How can I show my variable into the terminal? Don't worry, I'll help you out. A best way to show your variable is by using the print function. Wait. By doing something called the f string. An f string is a way for someone to type out their variables inside the print function or any other function who can print. Alright. You can type anything you want to write, but if you want to write your variable, you use curly braces and write our variable in between the curly braces. Alright, now let's see it in the code terminal. Great! So instead of showing curly braces name, it would show your name. Alright, that's it for the video. See you for the next one.